How to remove dark videos on Snapchat or low light fix. If you're trying to take a snap on Snapchat but it is quite dark, right? So whenever you're taking a snap it's quite dark. First of all, instead of the Snapchat tab, this could be due to your lighting issues, so make sure that you are in an environment where you have quite a bit of fair light available. And another thing is we can try to check if it's not a bug with the Snapchat app. So go to your Play Store or App Store, just check your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. If still it's not working, then I recommend you use some type of filters right here. So you can go to this search icon from the top right hand side, go to the search bar and search for a bright filter. So when you search for bright, there will be different type of filters to choose from. When you select that, now you can see compared to before, this one is actually quite bright, and this way you will be able to go ahead and then fix low light filters. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.